Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to unbox a Samsung S9 Galaxy S9 Plus today. That's the box it's in. I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. So first, before I do that, I'm going to read the outside of the box because that's the easiest thing to do. So it's got a super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera, super slow-mo 8 megapixel AF selfie camera, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, it's IP68 water and dust resistant, iris scanner, 128 gig of memory, 6 gig of RAM, wireless charging pod required, and earphones tuned by AKG. So that's what the box looks like. Let's get inside it and see what's in here. Right, so this is the outside of the box. Comes in a nice cellophane wrapping that I'm going to obliterate now with the help of a trusty knife. So smack that open to find this case. So that comes off there like so. Then another seal that needs to be broken by the trusty knife, so whack that in. It did not work, let me go again. It's a terrible knife. Alright, we're in, so there's the box. And it opens out like this. Put that there a little bit, you can see that. Nice big open wide thing. So, push that to the side. Whack this open. So inside there we've got the quick start guide, which is there. Might be too bright for you to see, but it's definitely there. You've got your ejector pin for taking out the SIM card and the micro USB card, yes. Quick start guide and the phone itself, which is there, like so. Very nice, very neat, quite a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. Oh, it's kinda, I've got the S7 Edge there next to it. So that's kind of what it looks like in comparison. Not that much bigger, but plenty big enough. So that's the actual phone there, here. And what else is in the box? Well, this case thing, obviously. New fast charger in black, not in white like the old ones were, which also means that there is a new. You can drag it out. So then we've got this thing, which is a little USB to USB-C adapter there. You've got, can't get that in focus, get that in focus please. There's that. So that goes there. The phone can go in the middle there. And then we've got a little micro USB to USB adapter, USB-C adapter. So that means that your old chargers, etc. will work with this. Drag this out, you have then got your USB-C charger with a USB end on it, like that. Quite a short charger, not into how short the charger is, but there it is anyway. So pop that there. This is a little rubber things for your earphones, and then there's some AKG earphones in there, little earbud ones, big earbuds, but they've got a like a fabric cord on there. Got the inline remote, got a microphone on there. Sorry, I'm not doing this, but yeah, microphone remote. That's all there. And then this little fast charge guy here. So that is pretty much what you get in the box. I'm gonna dig the rest of it apart, but no, yeah, that's everything. So in terms of actual size of the phone, that's width, that's that way. Is there a tape measure around me? One moment, there is a tape measure around me. The phone itself is 6.2 inches, which is there, 6.2 inches, 158 millimeters up to the top, and then with the rounded corners it goes to, might just be the screen actually, that goes to 154, so it goes all the way to the edge. Without turning it on, let me turn it on actually. See if we can get a little bit of life out of it. So that's the boot up bit. Still not on the screen there. So So that's it booting up there. And yeah, it's as polished and as finished as I expected it to be. It's mostly glass. It feels like mostly glass, which is nice. It's secured by knots, it says on the back, so that's nice. And that's pretty much it. So that's the setup process it's guiding me through now. So what I might do is, this is the end of this video pretty much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You can find us at House of Who. This is just a quick video so I can show you what's going on. So yeah, that is the Samsung Galaxy S9, sorry, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus opened up. And this is the stuff you get with it here. So this area here.